Hello students, welcome to all of you. Okay, today I will discuss chapter 2 of class 5 social studies. Our chapter is maps or guides. Okay, all of you know that our earth is a vast planet and that it is so beautiful that we would like to see and know about every part of the earth. And previous chapter you have studied about globe. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. But when we want to study or know about only a particular part of the earth, as our country, state, towns or cities, it is a little help. Means we can take help with the globe. But in this type of situation, we use maps. Okay. Now, what are maps? What is a map? A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Okay. Now, what is the difference between the map and globe? A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale, whereas globe is a small model of the earth. Now, map provides us detailed information and major details can be shown on the globe. Maps are easier to carry, whereas large globes are bulky to carry. Now, what is cartography? Okay, the art of preparing maps. The art of making the maps is called cartography. And the person who specializes in drawing the maps is known as cartographer. Okay, cartographer. And a book where all maps are put together. A book where all maps are put together is called the atlas. Okay, now advantages of the maps. What are the advantages? Maps provide detailed information and are not bulky to carry. We can carry anywhere maps if we want. Okay, now the types of the maps. There are 3 types of the maps. The types of the maps. Types of maps. There are 3 types of maps. Okay. First one is political map. Political map. Second, physical map. And third one is thematic map. Thematic map. Okay. First one is political map, physical maps and thematic maps. Now you have to understand that these maps, political maps, it shows the landforms. It shows the landforms. Okay. Landforms, plateaus, mountains, etc. Okay, rivers, plains, etc. And physical map, It shows the boundaries of the countries, states, towns, cities, etc. Okay, means physical map shows the boundaries of any countries, states, towns, cities, etc. And thematic maps, it shows the particular information about any forests, okay, wildlife, rainfall, agriculture, wildlife, rainfall, etc. Okay, means types of maps. There are 3 types of maps: political maps, physical maps, and thematic maps. Physical maps shows the landforms as plateaus, mountains, rivers, plains, etc. Okay, and physical map shows the boundaries of the any countries, states, towns, cities, etc. And the thematic maps, it shows the forests, agriculture, wildlife, rainfall, etc. Okay, you understood? Now the components of the maps. What are the components of the map? There are 3 types of components of the maps. The components of the maps. Components of map. Components of maps means distance, direction, and third one is symbols. Okay, components of maps, distance, directions, and symbols. Now in next video I will discuss the rest part of the chapter. Okay, thank you.